Hello everyone, we are going to do a embroidery tutorial today. We are going to learn to make heart stitch. I have prepared this fabric with 3 lines. They are equidistant parallel lines drawn on this particular fabric. We are also going to use this bamboo embroidery hoop by Pony, and we are going to stretch the fabric in this hoop. We are also going to use this beautiful needle kit by Pony, and from this we are going to use the sharps today for this particular embroidery. This particular kit comes with 5 different needles including the sharps, and it also comes with a needle threader. We are going to use this needle threader to thread the embroidery floss through our needle. For embroidery floss, we have this entire box of Pony embroidery thread with us. This particular box has total 18 colors in it, and they have 2 bundles of each color, so there are total 36 thread bundles. Let's use the red color today, and let's begin. First, let's stretch the fabric inside the embroidery hoop. Then I'm going to take a black needle from this packet. These needles have a white eye. This is for easy threading purposes. I'm also going to take red thread. I'm going to pull it a few times and then snip it. We will split the thread into 3 strands and separate the 3 strands. Then we will thread these 3 strands into our needle using the needle threader. To begin with, I have placed a knot at the end of my thread. I am going to bring the needle up from the back side of the fabric from the central line. Then I'll place the needle back inside the fabric just a little ahead of where we have pulled it through. Then I'll pull it back up from diagonally to the left and a little ahead. I'll wrap my thread around this and then I pull it through. To secure this loop that we have created, I'll do a tiny stitch just to hold the loop down, and then I'll bring the needle back up from the central line. This is the left half of the heart. Now I'll place the needle down at the base of the heart and go to the diagonal right this time, wrap my thread around it and pull it through to create the other half of the heart. To secure this loop, once again I'll place a tiny stitch at the top of the loop. And that finishes our first heart. Now we can continue doing this while maintaining the distance between the central line stitches to have uniform hearts. You can also change the distances up to get smaller or bigger hearts. Let me do few more stitches and show you how the heart stitch looks once done. You can secure this with a knot at the back when you're done with your stitch. Don't forget to share your creations with us. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Please hit the like button, share the videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and bye-bye.